Okay, guys, this is Farid Premani, December 30th, 1:06 p.m. And what we are trying to do now is you see three screens, right? It's a gold futures right now. And what we are trying to do is I have my trading view opened. And what I'm trying to do now is I am trying to, as a group of people who would like to trade in, and we've been trading cryptos, we've been trading futures with our own money, but I am now thinking, inshallah, to start a blue sky prop firm, or you can pick up any prop firm. But I've tested 5 6 and I really like this firm. The good thing is I'll give you first an overview and then we can jump on it. uh, Blue sky is has different plans, but right now I'll tell you which plan I'm looking forward for. And you can see the screen right now. And again, this is no paid promotions, this is just independent one. I'm not affiliate with anyone, but I see, based on comparative studies, they also have funding for stocks, but they have fundings for futures, and futures are faster, especially if somebody is putting that kind of money to it. So you see there is a premium evaluation in which, let's say, on $100,000 account, this is what I bought 2 3 times. And you have to be very particular because you have to make $6,000, 6% on the account, and you have to lose $2,500. Consistency is 30. Okay. Now, if you go into a static evaluation phase, they can also go, but the test is more difficult. Profit goals are more because amount is more now, and you see the value is now more. And then you go into a launch plan, static plus, where they allow you 20 micros. So I have actually bought this one, which is $149 account. And after that, every 30 days, you have to keep on paying $79. Uh, you keep 90% of the trading money. That's a very good thing. And this is for everybody who lives in America, as well as this is for everybody who lives in Dubai. We are testing for Pakistan, Tajikistan, that audience. But I hope I'm talking to Blue Sky team as well. So for the group, but for US, Canada, Dubai, all these developed countries, it's there. So it's a very small money rather than, let's say, people put $100 in the account, they blow out and they cannot make anything. It's good because they can give you $200,000. And but this is a difficult test because you can lose 2,000 max, and you have to make 6,000. So 2% is the loss limit, 6% is the profit target. It's actually 3% because it's 200,000, not 100. So once you sign up, click, and then they'll give you a password, user ID, and then you can go on trading view. Now I have a paid trading view, that's why it allows me to kind of navigate through. But what I've done is, let me see if the screen has been shown. And what I've done is I have actually, going here, I've connected my trading account. So you will see here $200,000, and this is just this morning I purchased, and I'm shorting gold. I will show you. But what you do is you basically go here. Let's say I'm logging out. You connect, do demo because right now it's demo, but whatever user ID and password they gave you, you connect. So that's this simple. You connect it, and then we can click the trades. And in your screen, when you say, when you connect with TradeOver, it will show you all the symbols for TradeOver. So we are right now, all these futures you can trade. You can add them one by one. Right now we are doing micro gold futures, and as shown, we can trade about 20. So that's about it. And this is a chart setting which I have done, and we will try to follow this. And the first one is a 15-minute chart because we are scalping. The second one is, this is a 1-minute chart, and this is a 5-minute chart. So you can come here, you can select, or you can come here and you can select this one, number 3, number 5, If you see this layout, I like this better. Rather than these three could be one by one side and these three could be top on each other. I like this one. I'm giving you a stepwise thing of how to do it, configure it. And then once you are done, then select here 15 minute, select here 1 minute, and select here 5 minute. Okay, and this is my EMA indicator. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to see geometry. Gold fell down some days back, and you see a 4-hour chart. You see how it fell down badly, right? And this was a kind of retracement. And why we see it as a retracement? Because we see it on a long-term trend that this is bullish. This was just a retracement. And stay with me for a minute. Here we are trying to see something on a long-term time frame to a short-term time frame. What we are seeing here is, you see on a 1 minute time frame, there is a head and shoulder being formed. This is the left is the shoulder, this is the head on the geometry, this is the right thing. And what we are looking forward for is break of structure. So this was a break of structure. Okay, and what we are looking forward for is this was it. This was on the line. This broke the line, it went back up, it broke again, and it might do a retest somewhere here and then it might fall. So we are looking for our stop loss is on the top of head here. So let's say if it strikes, and then our risk to reward ratio here is, so let's say we entered here, we took trade here, and this would be a 1:2. Yeah, it's 1:2, slightly more than 2, but that's okay. So this is actually till here. What I will do is I will try to adjust it so we are here. And what I have done is how did I took the order? I'll show you. So TradingView makes it very, because you select trade or wait and then you connect TradingView. I would suggest if you are in a trading game, buy a TradingView paid plan so that it can help you. But let's say if you have a free, then there will be a lot of ads coming, but this helps you position size. Now I'll tell you how. Let's say we are selling it, okay, and I have one contract, for example. Now if I sell at market and I keep my profit stop loss here, see how it is showing us accurately. On a one micro contract, you lose, you put $167 at risk, you make 317. So if I'm doing three, I'm kind of losing 501, but I'll make 951. Now remember, on a $200,000 account, I had just about $2,000 maximum losing capacity. So I can maximum lose 2,000. Let's say I lose 500 four times, my account is gone. Okay, I need to pay 149 again. So, or I play it more safe, like 2 units or 1 unit. Normally they say, let's say if you have $2,000 loss capacity, you take 10% loss capacity. Let's say the minimum you can take is 1. So under 1, you are under $200 loss, which is good because you make 300, and let's say your profit target is 6,000, so you have to win 20 setups to complete your first phase. After first phase, you read on the Bluesky website or any prop firm, they make you from a temporary account to the permanent account, but in the sim phase, which is like, so the first phase is normally evaluation, demo phase. Still they give you 200 or 100,000 or 50,000, whatever it is. You pass the criteria. Let's say criteria has 6,000 and 2,000 is profit. Then they give you a sim account. Sim account is a hybrid account between demo and live, in which they give you another target. You have to do another target, let's say $5,000, and they will squeeze the risk more. Okay, and then you pass that as well. Then they give you the real account, because they cannot put $200,000 in the account and you let it blow out. They want to make sure. And why this criteria is so difficult, because they want to test you are a real trader. Okay, and for all these audience who are watching, who are good with blowing the accounts, this will be very difficult. So you might have to do two, four, three, four accounts. But that's why we are starting the live session, so you all can trade together. And after real, let's say if it's a 200,000 account, they'll give you, you have the same targets, 5,000, 6,000, and then you can lose 2,000. And whatever you make, let's say you make 6,000 minimum, you keep 90%, which is about $4,500. So if paying a $149 fee is, let's say you failed 3 times, you paid $500, and you are lucky enough to get a funded account, first month you will make is $4,500. That's the 90%. They will send you weekly payouts, and this is not only this is the prop firm. There are so many prop firms like FTMOs, like One Step Trader, but this I find is better on the pricing. I like TradingView Sync, so it connects with TradingView, which has a very nice calculator I showed you. And then we are doing a 3-tier chart. So for all those who are right now with me, who wants to learn this, get into this, this was my detailed most video, and I have given you this setup what we are doing. So start with me. Today is December 30th. So hopefully, inshallah, New Year, we are starting this, and my resolution is I train 100 people into this, and hopefully this will be my social task. May God bless me, become successful for myself and others. Inshallah, I will try to make 100 people self-sustainable, inshallah. But for those who are ready, inbox me. Again, there is no fees, there is no monthly charges. Just remember me in prayers. I'll be trying to give 1 or 2 hours of my time daily. But you need to have money to buy your subscription for Bluesky. That goes to them, not me. I prefer buy TradingView. Right now it's New Year special, Black Friday is going on, so look into that. Okay, and don't start with $200,000 account. Start with $5,000 account. That would be $25, $30 account, right? Whichever you like. So inbox me for those who are interested in this Bluesky. My team will get back to you. We'll make a special small WhatsApp group so you can get live trading access, and we will do trading like we are right now doing. So for those who are ready, who can quickly sign up, you can take a first setup today, and inshallah see you tomorrow. Take care.